We'll guide you through how to see all apps on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you went and downloaded an app and you've wondered where it's gone, you can't go and find it, or perhaps you're just interested in going and seeing them all. We're going to walk you through this step by step, so make sure this full guide. So you may have tried swiping across just on your homepage here and you see a few apps, but definitely not all of them. I've got way more apps than this. If I try and swipe across again, I can't. If I swipe across this way, it'll go and take me to a different page, as you can see. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. There are different ways you can do this as well, so make sure this is full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to work best for you. So there's actually something called app pages on Android, and that's where all your apps are going to go and be. And so what we can then do is just have your essential apps on your home screen. And we'll guide you through how you can go and add them as well, as perhaps you want to go and add another app you commonly use here. So to go and get to those app pages, literally you need to go and place your finger and swipe up. As you can see, here we are. Now we can keep swiping across. We can see all these different apps we've got, and then it stops there for me. If you want to go and add one of these to the home page, what you want to do is go and tap and hold on one, and you can go and press add to home, and it'll then go and be added. And you can tap and hold on it and go and drag it elsewhere. To go and move page, you just tap and hold the edge, and you can then release it where you want it. The second way you can do this is in the settings, and there are more options you've got in the app list. So you can go and swipe up. We need to go and find settings. So swipe across, by default should be on the first page. You can always go and search for the top or just look on each page. Then in settings, you need to go and scroll down, and you're looking for the option for apps. As you can see, here it is. Now go and wait for this to go and load. It shouldn't go and take too long. And when it does, we're going to be able to go and see all the apps. You can search for it at the top if needed and change the default apps, and you can then browse through here. You can see I've got 177. So what you can then do is go and scroll down here and go and tap on an app you want. And then you can go and see the different options here. Change permissions, notifications, other useful options as well. And of course, you can uninstall it if you want to at the bottom.